everyone, Ronnie Landis here, and I'm excited to share with you one of the most revered herbs in all of Chinese herbalism. In fact, this herb was so cherished by the Chinese emperor that he deemed it punishable by death if anyone was caught trying to procure this herb and it was not being delivered immediately to the emperor and the royal palace. And the herb I'm talking about is a medicinal mushroom called Cordyceps sinensis. This mushroom is extremely versatile in how it affects the human body, how it helps us modulate stress responses in the body, how it helps protect the immune system and actually increases the intelligence of our white blood cells. It makes our immune system much more intelligent, so we become less susceptible to viruses, to bacteria, to fungal infections, to pathogens, to parasites, all forms of microbes that are in the environment, that are in our inner environment. It helps our immune system create a fortification shield almost to protect us from the onslaught of invasive organisms. And Cordyceps also was known to increase athletic endurance potential. In fact, in the 1990s, there was a track team in China that actually blew out every single other team at the World Games. And they won in like 7 different divisions. And so other researchers were looking at this and they were stunned. They couldn't believe what they were seeing. So they wanted to know, what were they doing that was different? And they went to look at their diet, and lo and behold, they found out that they had a special tea, and Cordyceps was actually the main ingredient in that tea. And ever since then, Cordyceps has been a world-renowned herb in all systems of herbalism, and it helps to increase oxygen to our body, essentially increase oxygen transportation from our blood to our cells, to our blood, to our muscles. That's where we get the endurance athletically. When we're running, when we're doing high-intensity training, our muscles need to soak up oxygen and nutrients to keep that funnel going, to keep that glycogen, that muscle capacity going so they can keep doing their exercise. And this herb helps us with that. It actually helps us create what's called ATP. That's adenosine triphosphate. And basically what that is that's the byproduct of food when it's metabolized to create energy in our body. So our body uses food through metabolism and creates ATP, and that's called an energy packet. That's how we produce energy. Well, Cordyceps is one of the only substances in the world that's ever been discovered to help us bypass digestion and go straight into energy production. We also know that Cordyceps is extremely powerful for increasing the lungs, increasing the respiratory tract, oxygen in our lungs. So it's great for communication, for speaking, for breathing. Basically, all functions of life have to do with breath. So I highly recommend we use Cordyceps in a variety of ways. You can use it, the mycelium, in your smoothies. You can use it in your hot herbal concoctions, in your superfood or raw chocolate concoctions, or anything that your imagination can come up with. If you want to find out more information on how to purchase Cordyceps sinensis, go to lifefoodherbs.com. I look forward to talking to you more about the power of tonic herbalism.